Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the topic at hand. The original text you provided, https://www.sib.ae, appears to simply be a website URL. While I can't rewrite a URL in the same way I can rewrite text, I can certainly expand on it, assuming it's the website for the Sharjah Islamic Bank. If it's a different site, please let me know. For now, I'll proceed with that assumption. Sharjah Islamic Bank, SIB, accessible at www.sib.ae, is a prominent Islamic financial institution operating in the United Arab Emirates. The bank offers a comprehensive range of Sharia-compliant financial products and services, catering to both individual and corporate clients. Visiting the website allows customers to explore various banking options, including accounts, financing, investments, and other specialized Islamic financial solutions. Navigating through the website, users can gain access to detailed information on various accounts, such as current accounts, savings accounts, and investment accounts tailored to different financial goals and risk appetites. SIB likely provides online banking services, allowing customers to manage their accounts, make transactions, and access financial information conveniently from anywhere. The website also showcases the bank's financing options, which might include personal finance, home finance, auto finance, and business finance, all structured in accordance with Islamic principles. Furthermore, SIB likely offers a variety of investment products and services, potentially including sukuk, mutual funds, and other Sharia-compliant investment opportunities. SIB's online presence, through its website, likely serves as a platform to disseminate information about the bank's mission, vision, and values. The site probably features sections on corporate social responsibility, highlighting the bank's commitment to ethical and sustainable practices. Customer support and contact information are also likely readily available on the website, allowing users to reach out to the bank with any queries or concerns. Exploring the website further, users can potentially find resources such as financial calculators, market updates, and educational materials on Islamic finance. SIB's website serves as a valuable tool for both existing and prospective customers, offering comprehensive information on the bank's products, services, and its role within the Islamic financial landscape of the UAE. The site is likely available in both Arabic and English, catering to the diverse population of the region. Be sure to check out the website yourself and explore all that SIB has to offer.